Yo, what's up, guys? And I got a question for you. Have you ever wanted to get brutally murdered by a group of beetles and uneducated fireball-dwelling lizards? Well, if you do, then this is the game for you. Welcome to Risk of Rain 2. Now, this game came out, I don't even know, maybe like 2017, and, well, you know, I've actually beaten this game before. But, you know, since I already beat it, you know, I decided to restart, and I took this as an opportunity to, you know, post it on the channel. So we're gonna start hardest difficulty, of course, yeah, start this without any hesitation. Let's go. Now I'm gonna try to unlock some guys, like maybe unlock this one guy that's like a lizard poisonous guy that you know, his name is Acrid, and some of you might know who he is if you're familiar with this game, but he's a really nice melee person and I would love to unlock him. What the frick? So basically, how this game is, you know, you try to beat the levels, you try to beat the boss of the levels, whilst getting items along the way by killing these enemies. And, you know, of course, you know, you get stronger, whilst you're on your journey, and, you know, the more time you spend in these levels, the more harder the difficulty is. So as you can see on the top right, you know, it shows you what the difficulty is at. So right now I'm on easy, but the difficulty will eventually increase into unknown territories that you might not want to get into if you don't have the right stuff. So best is, you know, get a bunch of stuff, you know, kill everybody fast, and then just, I mean, common sense, but you know what I mean. So and there's also different rarities for items in this game, and it's really cool. If you have money and a console or a computer, I recommend you to get this game. You know, it's really nice, fun game. You know, and like there's different maps, of course, and different beginning maps, different maps going on from the beginning point. You know, and like, overall, this is in my top 3 games. List the top 3 games. Now, I'm actually gonna go over here, you know, run away from these guys. I don't really want to waste my time with these guys. There's also active items in this game. There's like a lot. Some of them are overpowered and some of them are completely cheats, and it's your decision if you want to pick them up or not. But for most of them, I definitely would recommend. this game is definitely not, you know, like the hardest difficulty in this game is definitely not for people who want a nice, relaxing, peaceful game. Ooh. Now, the red ones are, you know, the red ones are like the second best items that you can get. They're pretty rare, but the best items you can get, like as you can see, that one was like a tint of red, but like the better ones are like a tint of like yellow or gold. And you get them mostly from beating specific bosses. Or maybe you only get them by defeating specific bosses, I'm not really sure. Now, for me personally, I've been having troubles with this game, you know, deleting my save data, and though I have beat this game before, you know, it's always just tragic, you know, seeing all your work just go to waste. But as you can see, this is the portal right here that will start the boss fight, and I actually don't think I'm gonna start it just yet, because I think I'm gonna you know, get some items. Or some more items, you know. And if you buy the DLC for this game, there's like a whole other like selection of items that are really cool. They're called void items, I believe, and they're in like these little capsules that you can get if you have the DLC, of course. And it's really cool because they're really good, most of them. There's some that you might not like, but no, most of them are really good, and it takes makes you take 50% damage when you grab one, and also it's like a different version of a specific item. So say you have a specific item and you grab a void item that relates to that item, then it's gonna remove all of that item and just replace them with the void version. Again, that might be a reason why you might not want to get something. But, as I said earlier, most of the time these things are really good. And this game is definitely not for the faint of heart. This game is hard. If you don't know what you're doing, it's pretty hard. And pause, by the way. And also, where the hell did he come from? What the? No, this is the bad guy right here. I don't know anybody likes to fight those guys unless they have a lot of good items. Now I think I'm gonna go to the boss, maybe. Yeah, because once you press the boss button, you know, or once you activate the teleporter event, which is a more better way of saying it, you know, it spawns a whole lot of enemies, but it also stops more enemies from spawning. So it's pretty nice. So. Ooh, and this is I can yeah, you can trade stuff for, you know, certain items on those thingies. I don't know what they're called, but it was pretty nice, and I definitely recommend that you check it out. And let's start this. Holy crap. I used up one of my elixirs already. Oh no, wait, this isn't good. This isn't good at all. Oh, where the hell did you come from? Alright, wait. Ooh. That wasn't so good, wasn't it? Ooh, you see now this is an example of some of the best items in the game. It's these yellow ones. And they do a whole lot of damage. And they're just really good. Especially on the hardest difficulty being Monsoon. Oh. Sorry, somebody just came in real quick. So what was I saying? Yeah, so definitely, you know, good items, very good items. Like, as you might have saw, I don't know if you were paying attention or not, but the one that I just got was when I get low health, when I get low on health, I actually shoot the beam, a little energy, a loop, and a supernova, and it's pretty good. I actually have to do something real quick. So, I mean, you're not gonna, wait here for a while, but, I'll be back. Alright, I am back, and I hope you guys, I hope it worked, so I don't have to edit me cutting all that out, but after that swell, exit, I am back. Ready for double wide surprise. Wait. So I completely forgot what I was talking about before this. But I think I was talking about the Nova. And I'm not talking about the Novellas. So I'm talking about the Supernova that I have that when I get low on health, when I get low on health, I shoot a supernova. As I said before, supernova. So right now, as I said earlier, like any game like this, like the thing changed, right? It's no longer the plains where it was before. It is now a nice, not very swell, not very nice wetlands actually. And these guys have a lot of health, alright? If you don't got any good stuff, you're most likely gonna, if it's like your first time fighting that guy, you don't have a lot of health, you don't have a lot of items for you to do a lot of damage, and then you're playing on the hardest difficulty, you're most likely gonna die to that dude. But, I do know a nice little secret around here that I think you guys will like. Ooh, another. Alright, guys, I swear, these items are not easy to get. I don't know why. it's so I guess since I restarted the game, there's not a lot of selection of items, so it's easier to get the items now. But even then, it's kind of broken. There's a secret down here, I believe. Yep. Where it's just a nice tunnel over here. It has like a secret film for. I'm not really. I kind of forgot what you get. But wait, did I? Wait. Oh man. I don't think I unlocked. I'll just do that on my own time. Ooh, now these bell guys are. I mean, like if you don't have good enough stuff, I guess they can catch you off guard. Most of the time, they wouldn't even really kill you though, unless it's like a whole group, like maybe like 15 of them, which happens often. Maybe not 15, maybe like 5. I know, 2 very different numbers. Yeah. And also, you can unlock abilities for characters, which is actually really cool. You can also unlock skins by obliterating, which you can do on I think stage 7. And yeah, it's really cool actually. You do that and you get these little blue chip things, which I forgot what they're called, but you know, you get those, and then you also get, if you do it on Monsoon, which is the hardest mode, well, you get the skin for that guy. So it's pretty nice. Actually really difficult though. You can see I'm really struggling and it's only level 2. If I really want to do that, I would have to, you know. Oh, and also, if you're having trouble finding the, teleporter event, just look for, like, little particles in the sky, and most of the, ooh, now those are the coins I was talking about. These coins right here, I think they're called lunar coins, I think. Yeah, lunar coins. And they can be used to buy stuff at the lunar shop, which is actually really, really cool. How did that guy not get stunned? I do not know. Don't ask me. I know I'm seeming like a very informational person right now, but I don't have a clue why. That explanation right there. This game is definitely getting harder. Might not seem like it, but it is. Trust me. And oh, you get her concepts. I don't think you take damage from it. Oh, yeah. Okay. There's also like these jellyfish guys where if they get close to you, they immediately obliterate. And like sometimes they can do lots of damage, like I guess. Holy crap. You know what? I'll take it. What the? I got started a little bit. That was pretty loud noise if you guys heard it. I just want to get going to this event. I have enough coins, so I don't need to, you know, keep telling people. Cause you know I have enough coins. So. Actually, like this pretty cool guy that you get if you obliterate on the moon, I think. And it's like this little melee guy. Another melee guy, not the same one I was talking about earlier. And he's pretty cool. And you know, some people like him. I don't really use him a lot when I do have him, but I would definitely give him more of a shot. But ooh, you know, this is double beetle queens, and whoa, this thing is getting quite laggy, quite choppy. What in the hell? Wait, everything is going wrong. There is nothing that's going right now. I didn't even kill one of them. Okay, wait a minute. I mean, I guess it was bound to happen, you know. Maybe we'll do one more. We'll try, eeny, meeny, miny, mo, catch a tiger by his toe. If the house let it go. Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. And Railgunner, we're gonna be playing as Railgunner. Railgunner is actually one of the, you know, DLC people, and she's okay. I mean, like, pretty good sniper, really good sniper. She has a nice railgun, and this is a DLC map. It fits. So, if you hit these people in their little red box, it does bonus damage, which is really nice. It does an automatic critical hit, and as you just saw, if you don't, it doesn't do a critical hit, just does regular damage. But there's always that chance to just get a critical hit on chance. Oh god, wait. All my hours of sniping in Call of Duty just for this. Just for this. And I feel like it was worth it. Oh! Wait, I feel like it was worth the hours, you know. I mean, like, why not? Oh, I failed. I failed that so bad. And, oh, too far. I overshot it. So, definitely gonna get the shields, mostly because, you know, soldier syringe, I don't think it really works on this girl. It doesn't really work good. Whoa. Calm down. You guys need to learn to chill. I actually don't think I've ever seen the oh, and these shrines, which I just got completely lucky. They're luck shrines where basically when you pay a fee, there's a chance that you'll get an item. You can get a maximum of 2 items from there, but you know, the price increases a little bit every single time. That's gonna be annoying sometimes if you don't, you know, have a lot of coins and you're just trying to get some items, but you know, it is what it is, you know. You either get a lot of items, you either don't get a lot of items. It's all luck. Oh god. But yeah, it's all luck. know what? I want you guys to, if anybody is gonna comment, if I don't be stupid and accidentally turn comments off, what is your guys' top 3 games? Mine's is Binding of Isaac, including all DLCs, Risk of Rain 2, or all the Risk of Rains in general, and Call of Duty. So yeah, if I'm not stupid and I don't accidentally turn the comments off, then just tell me what your favorite games are, if you want. I mean, like, you're not forced to, just like how you're not really forced to subscribe. Of course, you know. Oh god, I missed that. Alright, I'm gonna do the teleporter event right now because I think I'm pretty set. Pretty stacked. Not that stacked. Oh god, wait a minute. Wait a minute, everybody calm down. Everybody calm down. Oh god, wait. That laser beam is dangerous. You know, hide behind a lot of. I'm already almost dead. What the hell? No, stop it. Stop. Hey! Hey! Alright. I know I said one more, but I mean, like, that was a short one, so we do just one more. This girl being the last one that I have right now. Sorry, I was just looking at the things. Alright. Man, oh man, I hope I do good this time. I kind of forgot what this girl does, but I almost not kill. That wouldn't kill me, but almost hurt myself. Maybe badly because she doesn't have a lot of health. I think I died pretty early on. Girl, you know, she has auto aim, automatically aims between people, which, you know, it could be annoying that you can't just aim freely, but it's also, you know, very good. You know, you don't have to worry about aiming. You can just shoot and shoot and shoot. Of course, you know, if you're facing the opposite direction of the person, you're not gonna be able to hit them, but, well, you know what I'm saying. Do you think we should be risking? Do you think I should do this? I think this is oh no, that's for gold. That's the wrong shrine. I'm thinking of a different run. There's like a couple shrines in this game. You could probably tell. I've seen and used. Or I think I've only seen about like. But it's gonna be a long video, isn't it? Maybe like 30, 40 minutes. Ooh. Wow, now this is an item that I would really Like now this is like the active items that I was talking about earlier. This one's really nice. Makes you shoot a whole lot faster. For just a wee tiny bit. And oh, I almost did madness there. Ah, there we go. Wait, I have an itch in my ear, wait. Alright, okay. Alright, we're good. Ooh, log. Very nice. Ooh. Oh, and did I ever tell you guys about the different types of chests you can get? I don't think I really did. So there's you know, there's small chests, medium chests. There's chests that are specifically for aiding, and there's chests specifically for no, there's chests specifically for aiding. There's chests especially for healing. So there's small chests. There's also big chests that have increased chance of you know, increased chance of getting better items. Well, not bad, it's just that they're more expensive. I think, like, they're almost like double the price every single time. Now this is great. Look, $25.50. That's pretty good. Alright, yeah, we can do this. Oh, so we meet again. Where are you? Oh, you're right there. Gunner drones are always, you know, nice and, you know, simple. And, you know, they make the game at least a wee little bit easier. I realized that they couldn't kill me, so they just started targeting my little drone farm, you know? Ooh! Bro, did I die from full damage? Oh. No. Alright, well, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure, you know, do all that stuff, you know, like and subscribe. And, I'll see you guys in the next video. Alright, peace.